Convert 401k to Gold IRA for retirement with $500,000 savings in 30 days. Looking to protect your retirement savings from inflation and market volatility? Now may be the perfect time to convert 401k to Gold IRA for retirement with $500,000 savings in 30 days. Gold IRAs offer a proven way to hedge against economic uncertainty, giving you control over your future with tangible, inflation-resistant assets. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here's how to make the switch efficiently and securely. 1. Understand the risks of traditional 401k accounts. Most 401k plans are tied to stocks and bonds, which are vulnerable to market crashes, inflation devaluing your dollar, corporate or economic instability. 2. Why choose a Gold IRA? A Gold IRA is a self-directed retirement account backed by physical gold. Benefits include protection against inflation, diversified portfolio, tax-deferred growth, long-term wealth preservation. 3. 30-day conversion timeline. Week 1, research trusted Gold IRA companies and open a self-directed IRA. Week 2, initiate a rollover with your 401k provider. Week 3, fund your new account and select IRS-approved gold. Week 4, purchase metals and confirm IRS-approved storage. 4. Rules and requirements. Use a direct rollover to avoid taxes. Choose gold coins or bars with 99.5% purity or higher. Store metals in an IRS-approved vault. 5. How to allocate your $500,000, $200,000 in gold bars, cost-effective bulk, $100,000 in gold coins, liquidity, $200,000 in diversified IRA assets, for balance. 6. Pick the right Gold IRA company, check reviews, BBB, Trustpilot. Look for clear fees and buyback policies. Ensure IRS-compliant custodians and storage. If you're serious about retirement security, convert 401k to Gold IRA for retirement with $500,000 savings in 30 days. With the right planning and guidance, you can protect your wealth and build a resilient retirement portfolio today. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.